Dear students, welcome to this session. In this session, I will continue that AVL tree. In previous video, we have discussed that insertion on the AVL tree and what is an AVL tree. And we have discussed the different cases of inserting an element. The AVL tree is a balanced binary search tree, self-balancing binary search tree. So the insertion is similar to what the insertion in the BST, except once if we insert an element based on the values of that element, we need to check the balancing of that binary search tree. So if it is not balanced, we have to identify due to which case it is not balanced and what is that corresponding solution. That solution have to be applied. Okay, so just we recall that four cases. So we may get the unbalancing, okay, due to inserting a new element at the left of the left subtree. Left of left. Okay. The solution is what? I need to rotate on right side. So left of left means I need to rotate right. So I am going to name that action as right single. Okay. The next possibility is what? Right of right. Inserting a new element at the right of the right. The solution is rotate left. So I am going to name it as what? Left single. Okay. So then the next case is what? Inserting an element at right of the left subtree and the right side. So I have written the left of the right. Left of the right means the left of the right means this is the case. Okay, left double. Left of the right subtree left side. Two times I have to rotate. One is the right subtree right side and then left main in the left side. So that action is the left double. So left of right means left double. That action name. Another one is right of left. Right of left means this is that right side of the left subtree and right side if you are inside. So two rotation. So that action name is that right double. Okay. So if you want to implement the insert algorithm, we are going to discuss only that insert algorithm. If you want to implement that insert algorithm, okay, insertion operation, we need to implement this action. So right single, what is the code? One function I have to read. Left single, I need to write one function, and then left double, and then right double. I have to write those functions. So for that we may need to additionally store some information for each and every node, that is height of the particular node. Okay, in every node I need to store the height, because for AVL tree we need to check the balancing factor. Okay, whether the node is the balanced or not. For that we need to know that height. So every time I may need to find the height of the particular node. Instead, what we can do is, while inserting an element itself, we can update the height of the node. So every node is having the data, the left and right. It is usually in the binary search tree and binary tree. But additionally, we are going to add one more property for each node called that height. So every node contains the 4 kind of the information: data, left, right, and then what? Height. So that I'm going to modify the structure of that node. Binary BST node will have only the data left and right. Now I'm going to create a struct AVL node. Okay, here one is that data, int data, another one is that left. So AVL node star left and AVL node star right. In addition to that, we are going to add int height. The height is going to be updated during the insertion plus during this action. The next is that AVL tree class AVL tree. So I'm going to explain only that by binary search AVL tree insertion. The display is similar to what? That BST. Okay, so just you can copy it. Here the class AVL tree, it contains only one information, that is a root node. So root node address. So that AVL tree AVL node star R. Okay, that is the address of the root, that is a data field. And then what are the functions to be added? Public. Okay, one is that the constructor, that is AVL tree of, just I need to what? Assign R equal to what? Null. Initially that empty tree. During the object creation for that AVL tree, I need to what? Initialize that R with what? Null. And what are all the functions to be added is, one is that insert. Insert means the input is only the data to be inserted. So the data type is what? Int. And the return type is that boolean. Okay, so that function is going to insert a given data into that AVL tree. Okay, the next one is that these 4 actions we needed for implementing this function. So 4 actions are what? Right single. What it is going to do means just to rotate the tree on the right side. Tree means not the entire tree. Which node is goes under unbalanced, that subtree is going to be what? Rotated what? Right side. So here this right single is not belongs to that entire tree. The right single may belongs to what? A subtree also. So I need to pass for which subtree you have to what? Rotate. Okay, so I need to give that information what? So for which subtree. For example, here if I want to rotate this subtree right side, I need to pass this address as an argument. So if I want to rotate this subtree, I want to pass this as a root. So if you want to rotate this main, I want to pass what? This as a argument, that is a subtree. So I need to pass that subtree reference, okay, subtree address reference as an argument for this. So that for the right single, I have to pass that AVL node and then star and ampersand. What is the meaning of ampersand? Means reference to that subtree address. Okay, Star represent what? Address of that subtree node. Okay, subtree root node. Okay, that address have to be passed as a reference, so that what, that modification, if you did any modification, that should be reflected on the main word tree, so that we need to pass it. And then what? Boolean. Okay. And then what? Right single, left single. So this is also what? AVL node. Okay, star ampersand. Okay, Boolean. Again, right, left double, right double. Other functions display you can add yourself, delete you practice yourself. Okay, so right double, left double, right single, left single. So just we have to implement this code. This is going to be used in what? Insert function. In the insert function also we are going to design like a recursive function, so that only it will be simple. Okay, so if I want to design the insert as a recursive function, okay, I need to add one more function, recursive insert. Okay, so in that we have to pass the received input. This is going to be called from that user of that AVL tree. That user will call only this one. Inside that function we are going to use another function, insert the same element to which node I wanted to insert. Like that I have to what? Define another function which is going to be called inside what? The insert function. So what is that function is? The function is the name insert, but two argument. One is that int, that is which to be inserted, that element to be inserted to which what? The subtree. So the subtree address we have to what? Pass. Okay, so AVL tree what? Star ampersand. Okay, subtree address, to which subtree you have to what? Pass this one Boolean. Okay, and one more function we are going to add, that is a get height. The get height is just to obtain what? The height of the tree. Okay, so it is going to what? Return that height of the tree. So that return type is what? Int. Okay, so if that node is, that tree is not an empty, it is going to return the proper height. If it is a null, means the height will be what? -1. Like that it is going to what? Return. Once if we completed that implementation, you will understand these functions better. Okay, first we will see one by one. First you concentrate only on the left of left and right of right. We will define this function first. Okay, Boolean. Okay, rotate left, so that is a right single. That is if this case is occur. Okay, that how to check this status cases means that is there in the insert function. Okay, how to identify this case. Okay, left of left, right of right, like that. And here that corresponding action alone we are going to what? Implement here. Okay, right, rotate right, how to do that? Okay, so right single of AVL node, then star ampersand and x, one node I have written. Okay, x is nothing but here the 45. Okay, I will draw this again here so that I will explain it. So consider the same example. Here we need to call for this node. This is the x. Okay, because we have inserted the 5, due to that okay, the 45 goes unbalanced, so that what? We have marked this, okay, as an x. We have to call that right single of this 45 address, like that we have to call it, so that what? This is going to be what? Rotated right side. Correct. So the right of sorry, left of that left we have inserted the 5, so that we need to call the right single. So it means that this is going to what, rotated to this side. So this, for this rotation we are going to write the code, correct? So here we have called this as that x. So what is that action actually? What I need to what, bring this 2 to what here, that is 45 and what, 55, and the 35 will become the root, okay, and the 35 is having any what, right, any right, even if it is a null or if it is having the node, any right, that will be joined on that what, 45, okay. So that is what, 40, okay, and then the 35 right will be updated with what, that x here, okay, and that there is no change in what, the left of the 35, 15 and what, 5, like this, okay. So this is very simple. Just what, the modification is going to done on these two nodes only, okay. 45 is going to come down, okay, and the 35 will become what, that root, okay, and then the 45 left will be changed, okay, left will be changed and 35 right will be changed, that's all, okay. So just you make this node as a t, okay, this node as a t. It means that you just take a temporary node AVL tree star t, and t equal to what, that this node is nothing but what, x of left. So x of what, left, just we have updated this. Now we have to write this action, that is this will be cut and this will be joined here, okay. It means this will be joined means what, the x of left, okay. So it is going to be joined as what, left, x of left. What is that, the current t of right, this link is going to be joined with here, okay. So that is the first step, that is the current t of right, whatever the right, okay, it may be the null also, okay. Even if it is not that, what is that, the null will be copied to what, here, okay. So that t of right, which have to be assigned to what, x of left, okay, x of left. So that is the second action. So what is happening here is just t is marked, and then this link is cut and this link is joined, okay. So that 45, 40 and 55, like that it will be coming. The next what you need to do is that x needs to be what, updated. Now that x is now what, the 35, okay, the x is what, now the 35, that is a final one, okay. X equal to what, t. Before that what I have to do means, the 35 is going to come in here, but that 45 have to be joined as what, the right of the current t. So we are connecting this now, then this 45 is going have to be what, connected with what, right of the t. So t of right equal to what, that x, that like that you have to what, assign it, okay, that x. So that what is happening here is that t of right will be x, means what, this will become like this, okay. Then I need to update that x, with what, x have to be updated as what, that t, that have to be done and final, that is x equal to what, t, okay. So in between what I have to do means, I have to what, update the height, it means that previously the height of that nodes is 0 and 0, leaf nodes height will be what, 0, okay. This node height is the 1 and this node height is what, 2, and this node height is what, 3, like that. Previously the height is there. Due to these changes, okay, so what is the height of what, x and t, that you have to what, update it, okay. So that updation, how can we do this? Because here if it is after that what, the height of the 35 will be the same, that is a 2 2, but the height of the 45 is what? Previously 3, now it is what? 1. So like that I need to what? Update the height. Okay. For simply to find the update the height of a particular node. For example, here I wanted to find the height means just to take the left side height and right side height. Left node height and then right side node height. So which is that maximum? Okay. So which is the maximum between these two plus 1? That is the height of what? The particular node. For example, here for this to update this what? This is a 1, this is a 0. 1 and 0 what? Maximum is what? 1. 1 plus 1 is the height. Okay. For any node if you want to update the height, so use this formula. Okay. The left node height and right left subtree height, right subtree height, and which is the maximum. So that maximum plus 1 is the height of a particular node. So here I need to what? Update the height of the 45. 45 left is what? 0. Okay. So be clear, this node height need not to be changed because we have modified only that x and t. See that where we have modified here? X and then what? T alone I have modified. So that I need to do that what? Modification of the height for what? X and T alone. Okay. So among that x and t, which one have to be updated first means x only comes down. Okay, it is goes what? One level down. Okay, so I have to what? Update the height of what? The x first. That is x height equal to x height equal to okay, the maximum between that x of left height. Okay, so this is that x actually. Okay, the left is now 40. So maximum between this and this. Okay, so then only what? This after updating that x, then only we have to update what? The t. Okay, so but because what? T right is updated with what? X. Okay, t right is what? Updated with x. So that I need to update that x first, then that is this x first, then I have to update that t. Okay, after that only we have changed the x equal to t. Correct. So x height equal to maximum of, this is the function I am going to define. Okay, max is a just use a defined function, and between that x of left node height comma, okay, so the thing is what? X of left of height means the height means what? The height will be what? Displayed here, returned here. But the thing is what? If x of left is a valid node, okay, x of left is having some valid node, if x of left is a valid node, the height will be returned here. But the x of left itself a null. For example, if you are going to update the 5, so you need to what? Find the maximum between the x, this left and right height. So here left is a null. So null of height is what? Invalid. Okay, the null of height in that case what we need here is -1. So x left height is what? Actually -1. So if x of left equal to what? Null, here -1 comma, and then x of right equal to what? -1 here, null here -1, like that we have to get. Simply if you are writing x of left of height means it will be a problem when the x of left is a null. So for that only, to obtaining the height of a particular node, even if it is a null, okay, we need to return as a -1. For obtaining a height of the particular node, we have written a function what? Get height. Okay, so that I have to what? Write get height. Okay, so that is boolean int. Okay, here I actually we missed that AVL tree. scope resolution. Okay, AVL tree what scope resolution. Similarly, what int AVL tree scope resolution and what get height, a function, okay, in which I need to pass that node, okay, that address, okay. So that address, which tree address I have to what pass, like that I need to what write. So I need to pass that AVL node star x for the get height, so that need to be changed in that prototype also, AVL tree. So the get height means we may need to find the height of the subtree, not that invoking tree. So that I need to pass that subtree as an argument here. So that what this will check that x, if x equal to null, okay, subtree is a null, so x equal to what, null, it will return that -1, return -1, else it will return the height of that x. So return x of what, height of that x will be written. So like that we have to define the get height, so that it is going to return just height if it is not equal to null, otherwise what, this. So that what, if I want to find the left height, the left subtree, that is this is that x actually, left subtree height if I need means I need to use what, this function. So I will give that example here. T of height equal to, after updating the x of height, T of height equal to max of, the max of what, between that T of left max, this is the T actually, T of left max height, okay. Left height means what, get height of, get height of what, T of left, okay, comma, get height of, okay, T of right, okay, T of right. Then I need to what, this will give what, that maximum between what, the left and right, I need to what, +1, that is the height of what, the T of height, okay. So I need to do like this, okay. So T of left comma T of right height, in that what is the maximum, the function I have to define it, okay, +1, okay. Similarly we have to do for it what, x. See that we have written for that x also. So get height of what, left of x, get height of what, right of x, which is the maximum, plus what, 1, that is height of what, x. And finally you have to update this x of what, x equal to t. After updating the height we have to do. So this is the code for what, right single. Okay, you have to, in between what, you have to define that function max also, okay. So the left single means, example here, okay, this is due to what, adding a new element on the right side of the right subtree, right side of the right. So here we have added a 75, so that what, I may need to rotate the 45 to the left side one time. So for that we need to call the left single. So that what, this is what identified what, x. So this is similar to the previous one. I need to what, rotate on that left side, so that what, this need to be marked as what, t, that is that AVL tree, AVL node star what, t, and t equal to what, x of right, x of what, right. And then what I have to do means, this need to be changed to here, that is the 50, this have to be cut and this will have to be joined to what, the current x of what, right. So x of right have to be updated with what, the current t of what, left. Be clear, even if this is a null, this statement have to be executed. Null have to be copied to what, x of right, correct. Then after that uh, this 45, this will become what, like 45 and what 36 and 50, like that it will come. Okay, now that 45 have to be what, joined as the left of the t, so that what, t of left equal to what, that x, so that the t of x means what, 55 left. Okay, so that will be assigned as that x. Okay, right, there is no change, so 65 and 75, so like that it will be what, rotated. And finally this is that t. Okay, so this is the t, and this is that x, like this. Okay, now I need to update the x and the t. Okay, the height we have to modify of for the x and the t. Then finally what, the t have to be changed as what, x. So previously the height of this leaf nodes will be that 0 and intermediate nodes 1, and here it is a 2, and here it is what, 3. So previously, before change the height, this height is the 3, and 36 is the 0, and 50 is the 0, this is 1 and this is 0, and the 55 height is what, 2 before changing this, and x height is going to be changed as what, maximum. So that what, maximum between this is 0, 0 plus 1, those, this will be changed to what, 1, and the t of height will be changed to what left and right. Left height is 1, here 1 plus 1 is what, 2, so this will be changed to what, 2, there is no change actually. And x equal to t, x equal to t means what, this will be changed, moved to what, here. Okay, so t will be gone. Okay, so that what, the x will get updated as what, 55. That change have to be modified on the original x, so that only we are passing that as what, the reference. So x will be moved to what, that 55. Okay, so this same thing is happening for what, in the previous example also. Before changing that x and t, okay, x equal to t, that is up to this. Okay, in the previous example, this is that x, 35 is what, t, and this is what, x, and 50 0 and 40 0, 55 0, 45 is actually 3, and the 15 is 1, and 35 is a 2. Okay, and by updating the x height, so which is that x here is what, 45 is that x, this is not x. Okay, 45 is that x, so x height have to be updated. So left and right, which is the maximum, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, so this will be changed to what, 1. After the t of height now 1 is the maximum. So before updating the x, if you are updating the t, you will get the wrong updation. So first you have to update the x, then you have to update the height of the t. So maximum is 1, 1 plus 1 is a 2, so this will be changed to 2. So actually there is no change, that is a 2. Okay, after that x equal to t means what, that x will be moved to here, so the 35 will be marked as the x. Previously this is that x is the incoming, now it is changed to what, 35. So this modification have to be reflected on the original x, so that it should be a reference. Next, these two functions, right double and left double, very simple, only two statements, because we have written for single rotation. So right double means 2 times we have to rotate. Okay, so just to see that action for the right double. Okay, right double means what you have to do is the main x need to be rotated on right side. Before that what, that x of left have to be rotated on what, left side. Okay, that is what right double. Right double means what action you have to do, rotate the left of that x to the left side first, then rotate that x to the right side. So that is the action, correct? So what we need to do is, so say this is that x. Okay, this node is that x, that is we have called what we have to do means x of right subtree, sorry, left subtree have to be rotated on what, left side single time. So single time means what, I have to call what, left single of what? X of left. So the left will be what? Rotated on left side single. After that we need to what? Rotate that main X on what? Right side. So right single, okay, right single, right side you have to rotate single time. Okay, which node have to be rotated? That X. So I have to call that X. That's all. Similarly for the left double, what you have to do? This is that X. Okay, so I need to what? Rotate a right on right side, then left main on the left side, X on the left side. So the right have to be rotated on right side first. So that what? Right single X of what? Right have to be rotated. And then what? Left single that main X. So X have to be what? Rotated on. So very simple code. We have completed all the 4 functions. Okay. So now we'll discuss that insert. Since that return type is the boolean, I need to return true here. And then return true. Otherwise you make the return type as a void. So then insert AVL tree and then what? Insert into data. Okay, here just I have to what? Call that insert of, okay, so in which node I have to insert means that main root. So I have to what? Call that recursive function insert, in which the data have to be what? Inserted. Okay, and to which tree I wanted to insert means the root. Okay, so to that tree itself I have to what? Insert. So that what? I need to pass that r comma what? Data. Okay, so subtree I need to pass. Actually here the subtree is what? That tree itself. That is what? That r. Okay, so AVL node r comma what? That data, like that I have to pass. And here that will return something, correct? That have to be returned from here. So whether true or false will be returned from this function, that have to be returned from here. So that what? Return insert of r comma what? Data. So that is a code for what? Insert. Now I need to what? Discuss this insert function, the data, how it is going to be inserted on this r. This is very simple. Okay, insertion boolean, okay, AVL tree, insert, the same function name but the 2 different arguments. One is that AVL node star ampersand what? Some variable, that is r, rt. Okay, and then int data. So the data is going to be what? X here. Okay, AVL tree insert t comma what? X. Very simple strategy for insertion by using the recursive algorithm. Okay, consider this same example. This is the existing tree. I wanted to insert the 5. What you will do means you will check the 5 compared with what? That 45. You wanted to call what? Insert, okay, the 45 address comma what? The 5, like that you will call. So what you will do means you will compare this data with this one. Okay, if this is less than means you have to add that, insert that into what? The left side. If it is what? Greater than means what? It need to be added on the right subtree. Okay, if it is less than means left subtree. If it is greater than means what? Right subtree. In between what? If this is the null. Okay, if this is a null means what? I have to create the space for what? 5. I have to create the node for what? 5. Okay, are you clear? So in that case what is happening? So I have to check it if okay, x is okay, x is what? Less than that t of data. less than, this is the t, okay, less than the t of data, okay, insert that x in the t of left, okay, and then if that x is greater than the t of data, insert that x in what, t of right, okay. So for that insertion we can call this function recursively. If the t itself a null, okay, t itself a null, in that case I need to create a space and how to create this as a new node. So the first condition is what, t equal to what, null, okay. So t equal to null means what, it is become a root, okay, you have to create a new node, correct. So before checking that t of data with comparing the t of data with this x value, this is the t and this is the x, before comparing the t of data with x, I need to check t is a null. T is a null means what, there is no node, there is no tree. No tree means what, that should become a root, so that I have to what, create a new node for that t, okay. So that's all. If t equal to null, and I have to what, create a new node for the t. So new and then what, AVL node, and then I have to update that AVL field, node fields, t of what, data equal to, and t of dot left equal to, and t of dot right equal to, and t of what, height equal to, okay. So the left equal to what, null, and right equal to what, null, and data equal to what, x, and height will be the 0 because this is a new node, so this is a leaf node. So this is the case if t equal to what, null. Else, okay, t is not equal to null, there are two cases. If t of data, that is a x, is what, less than that t of data, less than the t of data. So that what I have to do means I have to look for that 5 have to be insert on this left subtree. To insert the 5 on the left subtree, I can use the same algorithm, what, insert of what, left of the t comma what, that x. So just I am going to call this algorithm recursively, that is what, insert, okay, insert t of left comma what, x. So x need to be what, inserted on the left side, correct, okay. So after inserting the 5 to this left side, I need to modify the height of what, the left, correct. So after inserting that x on the left side of the t, I need to modify what, the t height, okay, that we can do later, okay, at last we will do. So now what you have to do, the 5 is inserted on the right side, sorry, left side, but after inserting that 5 on the left side, where it is going to be what, inserted, I don't know, but I need to check whether the t goes unbalanced or not, because we are inserting the 5 to what, this t, okay, the x is to what, this t. So I need to check what, the t is what, unbalanced or not, that we have to check here. If it goes unbalanced, so I need to what, balance it, okay. How can we check that unbalanced? So 5 is inserted on the left side, now I need to find the height of the left and then what, height of the right. So this height and this height, the difference is greater than or equal to what, 1, sorry, greater than 1. If the difference may be what, equal to what, 1. So the left side we have added, means what, this height and this height difference we have to what, find. So left subtree height minus what, the right subtree height, which should be less than or equal to 1, which is equal to 2 means what, this goes unbalanced. So that only we are have to check here, that is if after inserting, if okay, get height of, okay, t of left, okay, comma, sorry, minus, okay, and get height of, okay, t of right, okay. So this is equal to what? Minus, that is a 2. Is this less than or equal to 1? So since we are adding the new item on the left side, so this height will be maximum, greater than what? This height. So that difference which is equal to, so what is the height here? This is 0 and this height is what? 2 after inserting the 5. So 2 minus 0 is what? 2. If it is equal to 2 means what? That t is goes unbalanced. So that what? We identify the unbalanced or not by checking this condition. That is what? If get height of that left, get height of the right, that difference equal to what? 2, the t goes what? Unbalanced. Okay. So now we got that unbalanced. Now we need to identify the cases. In which case? Okay. So here there is no, for all the 4 possibilities, only 2 possibilities, because here x is less than the t of data, t goes unbalanced, and x is what? Inserted on the left side, correct? Inserted on the left side. So the unbalancing occur due to what? Either the left of the left or what? Right of the left. So only we need to check this, correct or not? So this situation occur only for what? Inserting the 5 and inserting the 30, correct? Inserting the 5 also what? The 5 is going to be inserted on the left side. For inserting the 30 also what? The 30 is going to be inserted on the left side. So only the 2 cases, that is what? Left of left or what? Right of right. So possibility for what? Only the 2 cases. Okay. So there is no possibility of this case. For the inserting 80 means what? The 80 will be what? Inserted on the right side of the t. Right side of the t means what? I need to write another condition. X is greater than the t of data. I have to insert the x on the right side. But x is here inserted on the left side. So in the left side, I need to check whether the unbalancing occur due to what? Left of the left or right of the left. Correct. So what is, how can we identify this left of the left or right of the right, left? So again what? Just you check this. 5 means what? So I need to identify in the left subtree. Okay, the 5 is inserted in the left side of the left subtree. Okay, right side of the left subtree. So I need to compare the left subtree data, that is a 35 with this 5 and then this 25 with this what? 30, like this. Okay, so our new element x is what? Greater than that t of left, it means that condition, right of left. Okay, the 30 will be inserted right of the left subtree. Okay, the new element is less than that left data. The left data is the 35. The 5 will be inserted on what? The left side of what? Left. So that's all. So I need to now compare what? The new element with what? The current t left. Okay, so under this I need to add the condition if x is what? Less than that t of left of what? Data. Okay, t of left of the data, then I need to what? T of left of the data means which one? So left of the data, left of left, correct? Left of left. So we have to add in this way. Okay, so in that case I need to rotate what? Right. Okay, the solution is what? Rotate right. So okay, this is the situation now. So rotate right. So rotate right means just you call what? Right single of which node have to be rotated means what? That t. Okay, so which one have to be rotated? That t. Okay, so of what? T. else if x is greater than or equal to that data. Greater than or equal to data means what? We may add this 30 in that what? Right side of this one. So that what? In that case, that solution is what? Right double of the t. Right double means what? I have to call what? The same right double. Of what? T. Okay. So this is the situation L left of left. This is the situation what? Right of left. Right of left means right double or otherwise single. Okay. So now I can complete this what statement. Unbalancing occur due to what? Inserting a new element on the left side. If unbalancing occur, okay, in the left side, left of left or right of left, after rotating you have to what? Complete this. If okay, we have to what? Complete this if. Okay. Okay, we have to what? Complete this if. Now I need to what? Complete what? This else part. Okay. This else part is over. That is x of data is less than. And what is the third case? We have what? First checked t equal to null. Next we have checked x is less than data. Okay. Then we have to do these things. Another one what? Else. Else. It means that in that else part what is the meaning is x is what? Greater than or equal to t of data. Greater than or equal to t of data means what? X has to be what? Inserted on the right side. So that I need to write the solution like what? Insert what? T of right, okay, comma what? X. After inserting that x into the t of right, so this is the situation like for inserting the 80. 80 is going to be what? Greater than the 45. So that what? Right side we have to insert. So in the right subtree we need to what? Insert. So after inserting we need to check the balance factor. So how to check the balance factor means what? The right height minus what? The left height. Okay, which is equal to 2. So that I need to check if get height of okay t of right comma get height of t of left, so minus, okay, minus we have to add. So this difference, okay, which is equal to 2, it is unbalancing. Okay, so then we need to check what? Whether that new element is inserted on the left side of the right or right side of the right. Right side of the right means left side of, that is this 80. There are two cases here again. There are two cases again. If it is a 60 means what? Greater than the 45, but it will be inserted on the what? Left side of what? Right. That is left of right. For that 80 greater than the 45, that is a right side, but a right side what? Right of the right side. Okay, so there is a R. So that this x have to be compared with what? Right data here inside that. Okay, that is if x is what? Less than that t of right of the data, right side data. Okay, then I need to what? Right side data means which one? Right of what? Right. Sorry, left of what? Right. So here just to see that 60 is there. Okay, and 60 is greater than the 45 here. Okay, the 60 is going to be what? Added to what? Left of what? Right. Left of what? Right. So left of right means what is the solution? Left double. So that in that case we have to call what? Left double of what? T. Else x is greater than or equal to t of right data means right of the right. So the right of the right solution is what? Rotate left. Okay, so that what left single. Okay, single of what T, and then end if. Okay, so this is that. This is the what right of what right. This is what left of what right. Okay. So after completing the three cases, that is a T equal to null if x is less than the T of data left side. So under this what we have checked the two cases. Okay, and else third case, that is x is what greater than the right side, greater than or equal to right side, then x will be what inserted on the right data. So in that unbalancing we have checked. In that unbalancing what we have checked the two cases. Okay, left of right, right of right, right of left, or right left of left. So after completing these three cases, okay, else have to be completed here. So the else will be what completed here. Okay, after this we need to do what? So what is the thing of the insertion is what x is inserted on the T. X is inserted on the T means what? T height have to be what? Updated. So this insertion procedure is over, the T height have to be what? Updated. For updating the height of a particular node, what is the standard what procedure? So left subtree height, right subtree height, which is the maximum plus 1. That's all. So that we need to do here. That is T of height equal to what? Get height of T of left. Okay, and comma, which is the maximum. So I need to call what? Max between. Okay, so max of what? Max of height comma what? Get height of T of right. Okay, and plus what? 1. Okay, so which is the maximum between that left height and right height. Okay, so whatever the four cases, okay, T height will get increased. Okay, so that we need to identify whether left height or right height, which is the maximum plus 1, like that, and then return true. And finally we need to define that max function which is not inserted. So just you add that max function. So int, okay, AVL tree scope resolution max of two integers only, left and right height only. Height only we are passing, height is an integer. So int x comma what? Int y. So this is what? X greater than y. Okay, I have to return that x, otherwise what? I have to return that y. Okay, so just to return this. Okay, x greater than y means x have to be returned, otherwise what? I have to return that y. So complete this. Okay, so this prototype need to be added on what? This one, int max of int comma what? Int. Okay, so just you add the display function yourself and try to what? Display the content after what? Inserting the element. So from the main you need to call only this insert. This insert function will recursively call what? This insert function. Okay, from the root like this. Okay, so we have discussed that implementation of that AVL tree. So please try to understand that by watching the video once and twice. Okay, and try to implement yourself. Okay, if you have a doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you.